Hi guys, and today we need a part one na guys, and this I open out this and have in the plastic, and because we're gonna put here, let's go. We need to record again. Guys, and today let's go play here and let's go na. Let's go. Okay, first this. Guys, nakita kanina pula amo ni sa yung anputang mo dalaga, ha? Kabalong yun na. So where are we gonna put this? Okay. Oh my god, what I'm doing it. Not like this. Not like that. Oh my god, this is so dumb. Okay, done. And let's get here. Let's tapak. Ay, tapik. Tatapik ko siya sa kamot yung guys, bala slowly lang. Uy! Nagputok! Okay, let's put here. And done. And oh my god, this is so good! You guys, sound nyo? Oh my god, this is so cozy. This is so cozy bed. Okay. And lapit ng ta guys. Oh my god, what is this? Atapik ko nila. Wala naman. Uy! Damo ba? Wala dahil ba? Okay, let's wala ka? Pasko. Okay, lapit nanta guys. Do the renanta guys. So, do the renanta. Pagka do the re. Alam mo na. Ngayon din yung bahay ni Mami. And sa part 2 na tayo na late boss. Part 2 na boss. Wait, natin tuning man ito. Ano ba? At theory pagkit. Who is there? Oh, wala. Pagaling nakakuha plastic. Nalibat mo ito. Okay, let's get that plastic. Tapos ako na. Bye! See you tomorrow. Kabal nyo nyo na.